Mulch helps prevent weeds, retain moisture in the soil, and make your garden look more beautiful throughout the growing season. The best time to apply mulch is in the spring. Start by removing any weeds growing where you'll be applying the mulch. Then, use a shovel or manual edger to create an edge around the area where the mulch will go. This will prevent the mulch from spilling into the grass. Alternatively, you can make a border with rocks. Use a rake to remove any old mulch and dispose of it in the trash or a compost pile. Use a shovel or your hands to apply small piles of mulch around the area. Finally, rake the mulch out into an even layer that's about 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7.5 centimeters thick, leaving 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters of space around any plants or tree trunks.